guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Tupo. If you're new here, welcome. Please subscribe, like, comment, give me a thumbs up, guys. Today I'm going to be showing you this easy, gorgeous yarn twist. So if you guys want to see how I achieve this look, please continue watching. Alright guys, my hair is already washed and moisturized. I'm going to be using my rat tail comb, my shine and jam, and some rubber bands to achieve this look. So what I'm going to do is I'll start by sectioning my hair in the back, guys, just a straight line, just exactly the way I'm doing. Okay, and then once I'm done, I'm going to take my shine and jam just to make sure the line is really nice and straight and clean or whatever. So I'm sectioning the back into 3 pieces. So I'll do the first line and then I'll take my shine and jam just to make sure the line is clean. So I'm just using the rubber bands, just to hold the hair. So I'm just, placing it on once just for me to section my hair. It's easier this way, guys, because my hair is thick. Okay, you guys already know, and it's short. So if I section my hair and not use rubber bands to hold the lines, are just going to disappear and I'm just going to have to work all over again. So I'm just going to, I'm just saving myself some time, honey. You know what it is. Oh, by now. Okay. Alright guys, so once I'm done sectioning, I have about 28 pieces in my head, and then I'm going to be using this yarn, guys. We're using yarn today. Yes! This is the Lion brand yarns, and this is Wool Ease. The color is called Terre d'Ombre, okay? I hope I'm pronouncing that right. I'm going to put everything in the description below. And I got this from Michaels. I'm using about 4 packs. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take it out of the pack, and then I'm just going to measure how much I'm going to be using. I wanted to go for a shoulder length kinda, so this is how much I'm going to be using, guys. So for each section, guys, I decided I was going to do 20 strands. What you got to do is you got to make sure you're counting the strands to make sure each section has the same amount of strands. That way they really look nice and uniform. I'm just going to take the rubber band out. I'm using my shine and jam just to make sure the scalp is really nice and sleek or whatever. And then I'm going to section my hair into 2. And then I'm going to take the 20 pieces that I'm using for each strand, guys. I'm just going to take the 20 pieces, making sure they're nice and equal on both sides, and then place it on the middle exactly the way I'm doing. Okay, and then I'm just going to, use my rubber band, the same rubber band that I was using to hold the hair with in the beginning. I'm just going to take the same rubber band and use it to hold my natural hair. Once I'm done, I'm just gonna give my hair a little tug. That way it's really nice and snug on the bottom, but you don't want it to be too snug. That way you can break your hair. And I'm just gonna take a little more of the shine and jam and apply it to the hair. And then I'm going to tack the hair to the top strand, guys. And then I'm going to twist it a little bit, and then I'm twisting the bottom strand as well, and then I'm just going to start twisting, looping them together, just exactly the way I'm doing, twisting it all the way down. This is so easy, twisting and turning, twist and turn, exactly the way I'm doing. Very easy. Once you get to the bottom where you want to stop, you're just going to tie a little knot. That way the hair does not unravel. Okay, so that's exactly what I'm doing, just tying a little knot at the bottom right there. I'm going to show you again the second one right here. Take your shine and jam, apply it to the hair again, and section your hair into 2, taking your 20 strands of yarn, okay, placing it in the middle, and then using your rubber band to secure it. Giving your hair a little tug, your natural hair a little tug. That way it's nice and snug on the bottom. And then I'm going to take a little bit more of the shine and jam, apply it to my natural hair, and then I'm going to tuck my hair in the top strand right there. That way it's really nice and concealed, and it's not showing too much when I am twisting down. And then I'm just gonna start twisting it all the way down, sis. So I'm twisting and turning as I go along, guys, exactly the way I'm doing. Oh my gosh, very easy, very beginner friendly. Anybody can actually do this. I used to to do this yarn twist all the time back home. Oh my gosh, back home in Malawi, I used to get this yarn twist and I was like, listen, let's bring it back. Let's bring it all the way back. Okay. All right, guys, so the same concept in the front right there. You know, apply some Shine and Jam to the hair, section your hair into two, and take your 20 strands of yarn, okay, and place the yarn, wool. We actually call it ulusi, ulusolukira. This is actually yarn, you know, the yarn that you use to make blankets or clothes or a scarf or anything like that. This is the exact same yarn, honey. I mean, we're using this yarn, we're using for a lot of things. And the only thing that I like about yarn is it is so light, sis. It is so light. I don't even feel like I have hair in my head right now. I mean, come on, it is so light. You can do whatever. You can make them as long as you want because it is light. The easiest way you can achieve twists. If you don't know how to grip the roots, if you don't know how to twist, I mean, this is it. Why are we still talking, sis? Have you subscribed to my channel? Don't forget to turn on your notification button so you do not miss out on any uploads, because this channel is getting what? Juicy! Yes, sis! Today's shout out goes to Delicia Perry. I hope I'm pronouncing your name right, sis. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. Thank you for rocking with me. Thank you for all the love. I really appreciate it. And you are a real one today. Okay, sis. Giving my hair a little tug, that way it's nice and snug on the bottom, and then taking a little bit more of the Shine and Jam, applying it to the hair, and then tucking my hair in on the top strand right there, and just start twisting it all the way down. So I'm going to twist it a little bit before I start twisting all the way down. That way it's really nice and concealed. I mean, it's still going to show because, you know, my hair is black and the hair is more of a 30. So it's still going to be giving me a little peekaboo. Not too much that, you know, you're like, oh, I don't like this. You know what I'm saying? And this is for my sisters who cannot stand, you know, Kanekalon hair, who want something light, or, you know, who love using yarn to do their hair. This is for you. If you have black hair, it's gonna look exactly like your hair. And let me know if you guys want me to do this same style in black, because, you know, people want to see how it's gonna look in a natural color. Okay, but you know me, I like to turn it up a notch. And I am in love with 30, because 30 and fall season is just like, you know, it's just a mix. It's just a mix and match right there. Mix and match, fall and 30. What? Mix and match, fall and 30. Get to the bottom, I'm just going to tie a little knot, so that way, you know, I don't have to work twice because it's going to unravel. So you want to tie a little knot. I'm actually tying it twice just to make sure, sis. And I'm going to say it again, the rubber bands do not break my hair. I don't know if it's this Shine and Jam, because the Shine and Jam is really oily. And once I'm taking the hair out, I make sure my hair is nice and moisturized, sis. Before you take anything out of your hair, make sure your hair is nice and moisturized. I actually have a video on how I take down my hair, guys. I usually have it really nice and juiced up, and then that way it does not break or anything like that, okay? I'm gonna show you guys again in the front, okay? Taking my Shine and Jam, apply it to my scalp, and sectioning my hair into two, and taking the 20 strands of the yarn, placing it in between, taking my rubber band and securing my natural hair. Giving my hair a little tug, that way it's nice and snug on the bottom, and then taking a little bit more of the Shine and Jam, applying it to the hair, and then tucking my hair in and just start twisting it all the way down. Concept in the front, you know, apply some Shine and Jam, section your hair into two, and then take the yarn, place it in between, and then use my rubber band to secure it. Give my hair a little tug, and then take a little bit more of Shine and Jam, apply it to my hair. That way it's really nice and slick. You can tuck it and it's not gonna show that much, and just start twisting it all the way down. Alright guys, so once I'm done, twisting or whatever, I'm just gonna take my Kiss Edge Fixer. You guys already know how I feel about this edge fixer right here. And I got this brush from Amazon. You already know what it is by now. And we're just gonna lay these baby hairs, honey. We are laying them all the way down. Makeup is done or whatever. I'm just gonna be using my coconut oil and my Jamaican black castor oil to make sure my hair is nice and moisturized. I'm actually going to be using these little accessories that I got from Amazon. I'm putting everything in the description below. If you want, you can burn the ends, but I want to, do these little accessories because you know me, I like to spice everything up. I'm just gonna go down to where I have the little knot at the end, and then I'm going to secure that with the accessory, guys. Very, very easy. And then I'm just gonna take my scissors and cut the excess. And baby, when I tell you, this yarn twist came all the way through. I don't even feel like I have anything on my head right about now, sis. And this is facts, okay? Let me know if you guys are feeling it. Let me know if you guys are going to be trying it. Let me know if you guys want me to try black or any other color in the yarn or any length, and let me know in the comments below. But otherwise, sis, I am feeling this color right here. Let me know if you guys think this is a hot fall summer style. Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you guys for subscribing, for liking, for sharing. Oh my gosh, I cannot believe we are here today. Thank you guys for all the comments, for all the love. I really, really appreciate it. You guys are the real MVPs. I am nothing without y'all. Make sure you share this with your cousin, your bestie, your mama, and your aunt, because sharing is caring. And I will catch you guys in my next one. Bye.